Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Firebase Authentication UI with responsive styling step by step clearly. To activate Firebase Authentication UI with responsive styling, start by setting up your Firebase project. Go to the Firebase console and create a new project. After creating the project, navigate to the Authentication section on the left sidebar. Click on the Get Started button to enable Firebase Authentication. Next, choose the sign-in methods you want to enable, such as email/password or Google. Once the required methods are selected, make sure to save your changes. Now, install the Firebase and Firebase UI libraries in your project. If you are using npm, run the command npm install Firebase UI. After the installation, import Firebase and Firebase UI in your JavaScript file. Initialize Firebase with your project's configuration settings. You can find this configuration in the Firebase console under Project Settings. Next, create a new instance of Firebase UI. You can do this by calling the firebase.auth.authUI method and passing your Firebase auth instance. Now, define the UI configuration settings. Specify the sign-in options you configured in the Firebase console. Make sure to set the TOS and privacy policy URLs if required. For responsive styling, you can create a custom CSS file. Add this CSS file to your project to adjust the UI elements as needed. Within the CSS file, apply styles for different screen sizes using media queries. This will ensure that your Firebase UI components adapt to various devices. Now, set up the HTML container for the Firebase UI. Include a div element with a specific ID where the Firebase UI will be rendered. In your JavaScript code, call the authUI instance's start method. Pass the ID of the HTML container and the configuration options you defined. This will render the authentication UI in the specified container. Test your implementation by running your project in a local server. Access your application using different devices or window sizes. Ensure that the Firebase Authentication UI is displaying correctly and responsively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.